amazing people, welcome or welcome right back onto my channel. It's Sunita here with a very smiley face. You guys, happy new year to each and every one of you, to all my subscribers, both returning or new subscribers. You guys, you are the real MVPs. I love you guys a whole lot. Okay, I wish you a prosperous new year and everything beautiful that 2023 has to offer. You guys, it's been a while. I think the last video I uploaded on this channel was on the 8th of December, and then I lost my phone that same day. It wasn't even easy for me. I just got a new one, I think about last week, Tuesday, and since then it's been kind of difficult for me to carry my phone or carry my camera to film. You guys, it's not been easy. I hate boring you guys with stories and whatnot, but I know there are people who still wants to know what's happening with Sunita behind the scenes. So this is why I'm taking my time to tell you, like, to give you a tip of what really happened as to why I've not been filming or uploading videos. But with that being said, I am back and expect videos from me like back to back. God helping me, I'm going to be giving you guys content. Okay,
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
But I quickly want to, you know, show you guys what I've been trying out, because this is not just a review. I didn't, like, my aim is just to come here, tell you guys what has happened, and then wish you guys well. But I cannot leave you guys without introducing to you something that I've been trying out, or showing you guys something that I've been trying out, so that when next I'm coming with the review proper, you will know that, oh, I talked about it already, so that you people will not come for me. I told you before now that there are products that other people try it out and it's good on them, and if you try it, you might just not be good on you. So that doesn't mean that the product is bad or anything like that. Yes, for sure there are bad products out there, I won't even lie, but believe you me, there are products that are meant to be used just once or to correct a certain skin issues. The moment that is done, if you continue using it, is definitely going to damage your skin or give you maybe a reaction that you might not like. Okay, so I know I'm talking too much. So this is the Hit the Spot. I don't know if you guys can see this. Hit the Spot blackhead cleanser. So if you have blackheads, you have white, in fact if you have blackheads, you have dark spot, maybe you can try this out. But for now, I can't even, to be honest, I can't tell you guys to try it out, because a lot of people have been using it though, and they said it's good on them. So me, I want to try it out. Being the sensitive skin kind of person that I am, or type of person that I am, I want to be sure that it's going to be good on me before I review it, or like come back with the review proper. And then even if you, in fact, anyhow it is, you guys, I'm definitely going to bring back the review. But this is just me trying to show you guys what I've been using. Hit the Spot blackhead cleansers. If you have blackhead, you've been battling with blackhead, maybe you should consider using something like this, or go for blackhead cleansers, because they're always very, very good. It's just, you know, a lot of people have reviewed this thing and I haven't. The reason why I bought this some days ago is because I went to get my cleansers, and then it's very, very expensive right now, and I bumped into this one. I read it, and you know, it just caught across to me like something that's going to be nice. So I thought to myself, why don't I try this out? So according to them, they said blackhead cleansers helps to fight against blackheads in prone areas of the face, remove dead oil and dead cells which can accumulate, because when your face is when your face is occupied with all those dead, it's just, you know, clog your pores. So this will help to unclog your pores as well. And again, they said cleans pores to prevent further blackheads with added vitamin E and aloe vera. So I think that was what caught my attention. I don't joke with vitamin E, I don't joke with aloe vera. So even the liquid soap I'm using, which is the palm olive, it contains protein. So if you have sensitive skin, always target things that are very, very, you know, targeted at your skin type, or you know, tailored to your skin type. If not, you're definitely going to get it wrong. That does not mean that there are other products that might not be good on you. So when you use, because a lot of people said, I reviewed purple lotion on the last video I posted, and a lot of people said, oh, it lightens them. Others said it doesn't lighten them, it darkens them and whatnot. So different strokes for different folks. That's what I want you guys to understand. And as for those of you who have been asking me what to use and whatnot, and I've not been responding, it's not because I don't want to respond, but because it's because because when it comes to skincare, there is no direct answer, because I might just give you answers now that will, you know, furthermore incur whatever it is that you're going through. That's why I take my time to respond to whatever it is that you've asked. So when you ask me questions and I'm not responding as quick as you want me to, expect me to, it is because I'm trying to figure it out myself. Okay. And yeah, me too, I'm still going through. I keep singing this. I don't know if you guys are tired of this, but truth is I'm still going through you know, 1 or 2 skin issues myself. I still do not have a perfect skin. So when it comes to skincare, there is no perfect skin out there, and there is no direct answer until you have a one-on-one or like a very good conversation with somebody that knows where your skin concern lies. Do you understand? So that's how it is. Okay, so with that being said, I'm rushing out to somewhere. Just wanted to you know, brief you guys of what I've been going on, why I've not been filming, and show you the cleansers I've been trying out now. It's not harsh on the skin. Even my niece that has been using it, I think, does it burn your face? For now, let me not just say it's nice. Okay, I told you guys I was going to come back with the review, but for now, if you have blackheads, if you have dark spots and whatnot, maybe you give me some time, let me try this out and I'll come back with the review. As for those that have used it, please leave me in the comment section. Let me know, or let us know your review or your experience with this particular cleansers. Okay, let us know your experience with it. Let us know if it's good, whether or not it's good. Okay, so that other people can actually learn. Okay, so yeah, that is that for that, you guys. I'm rushing to go get to go and do something in school, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next one. If this is your first time, the very first time you're coming across this channel, you're highly welcome. I'm Sunita Emmanuel. I'm based in Nigeria. I film videos concerning skincare in Nigeria, or skincare, your skin, whatever is my priority. Here we get you back to your skin confidence. So if you've not subscribed to this channel, please endeavor to do so, so that more videos will come. And then do not forget to leave us your video suggestions as well as your comments. That way I will know that people are interacting with the content or the channel in general, so I will know what next to bring to you guys. Okay, so I'll definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.